Okay, I have to admit this one is a tongue-in-cheek. I was looking for alternate cooling systems on YouTube, and I found this wonderful one that we know is going to work perfectly well. LOL. Behold the alternate air conditioner. Two 1-gallon jugs filled with salt water and frozen. Now, salt water freezes at a lower temperature than pure water. So we use salt water. 2-gallon jug hanging behind this fan. Now we're going to test whether this thing actually will cool the air moving across from these jugs of ice. Okay, I've got the fan on. The return air coming into the fan is 95.1. Okay? 95.3, round to the right. Okay? Now I'm going to put it on the output of the fan. And now I'm moving this thing all over the place, trying to find something with a lower temperature. Now I've got the fan on the lowest possible speed so that we get a better temperature difference. But I can try increasing the speed and see if that makes a difference. Okay. Now, try the return again. Maybe the return's gone up a little bit. Yeah, the return's gone up a little bit. Okay, we're at 96 degrees on the return. Go over to the... Okay, we are at 95, essentially 95 on the return, and the supply is 94.6. 95, 95.5, 7, 9, 96. Try to return again. Temperature's actually rising up in this room quite a bit. It's hot as heck outside. Showing 97, 96.9. Supply again. 96.2, 96.0, 95.9. We did something. 95.7, 95.5. I guess we got a degree or so. I'm 90, I don't know, degree, half a degree. Now I'm going to demonstrate something that might actually work. Now, I've taken those things off, and I'm taking my return again. 93.7. Okay. Pretty much. Yep, 0.5. Now, I've turned the fan on to really high speed. And let's go see if it's making it colder. And I got the probe here in the Airstream, and it's a working now. So what did I do? $73 degrees. 72.8. Wow. 6. Gonna be down to freezing pretty soon. Okay, I was cheating. Look at that fan. Now, if you look close, you can see there are 5 spray heads around the circumference of that fan. Now, I got quite a ways away from it because you like to have the spray, which is atomized water, to be able to evaporate. It still doesn't quite evaporate by the time it gets to you, but it's a heck of a lot cooler, isn't it? Maybe I should throw away those things. They didn't do anything. But I could actually make cold air without a compressor, without an air conditioner, and without 2 1-gallon jugs that I have to throw in the freezer for 2 days. Just another one of those things. I'm not trying to beat these guys up that have done this. They think they're actually doing something. They're not doing anything. It's just kind of a joke. This is about the only way you're going to get cold air without using either a swamp cooler, which this kind of is, or refrigerated air. That's it on this one.